we go. Just going to do a simple unboxing at first, and then go from there. Got the instruction manual, extra warranty card, got the power cord, box over here, which is the remote, no batteries, and then we'll check this out. Here's your mounting hardware for the wall, or I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to do it on the ceiling, so from what I understand. So I'll just put all this stuff away, get it out of the way. The protective film is coming off on that. I do know that the remote takes 2 batteries. I saw that on somebody else's review. Okay, there's our power. Make sure remote's working. Turn it off. You got remote has a power on it. It's touch screen up here, so I can see myself accidentally hitting buttons there. And of course, it has quite a few features. The six-way true HEPA filter, true HEPA and HESA 4 layers filter. Built-in small air quality sensor and temperature, so humidity sensor. This will be helpful for me. This air purifier can completely purify the indoor air and create the most comfortable housing environment. Yeah, I guess if you don't touch it for a few and set it up, that's a good thing. Smart air quality sensor, temperature and humidity sensor in real time. I think this thing's going to look pretty cut and dry to me. Power on, fan speed. There's a silent button. Let's see what that does. Silent. Oh, it just turns down the fan. And it just gets really quiet, but it's still going. Pretty much low. And then there's your high. I don't know how the sound's going to come through up there. But you got auto off. If you've ever had a fan, just a regular house pedestal fan, it's pretty much the same functionality. You can turn the light off if the light's too bright in your bedroom or whatnot. Silent just turns the fan down very low. Fan up and down, different speeds. Timer, and then auto. I imagine it just senses the air and does what it needs to do. But yeah, it looks pretty, got a lot of functionality to it, but not too overwhelming. Right now it's showing it's 20 degrees Celsius. I'd have to figure out how to switch it to Fahrenheit. Humidity is showing at 36%. Yeah, I mean, I don't have to make a video that long about this thing. It's I imagine the thing that would get difficult is trying to hang it up on the wall, finding your studs. It says that you can do it without studs. You just use these wall anchors and screws on the underside of it. It's fairly heavy. I mean, about as heavy as a big heavy clock. Yeah, it's pretty basic. They gave you some nice little flip ups on that, so you don't have to go find a screwdriver. I'm probably just going to sit mine on the table, that way I can move it around from room to room if I need to. But yeah, taking it apart. Got some good instructions on taking it apart to replace the filter. That's basically it. I don't know how I could give any kind of a review to show whether it worked or not. You know, I guess everybody will know that once they get it into their house. You know, if once I did playback and saw that you couldn't really see anything on the screen there, so I'm going to go ahead and hit some buttons here and let you get a look at what they're doing. It's got a pretty clear, well-lit display area. I'm going to hit the timer button now. You'll be able to see this better. 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 2.5, 3 hours, 3.5, 4 hours, 4.5, 5 hours, 5.5, 6 hours, 6.5, 7 hours, and 7.5 hours. And then just one more time, takes it to off. Go ahead and turn this thing up. And maybe if I just hit the auto button, it kind of senses what you need and goes for it. You can run it without the remote. You know, just your basic functions here. Fan. Auto. Silent. It's just a really, really low, very low fan speed. And then you can do the hit the auto, just let it do its thing. So let me know if you have any questions about it. You know, just pop them down into a link, either at Amazon review, or I'll post it on YouTube as well. Okay, have a good one.